Here's how to make a compass. You get a small wire nail, scissors, a cup that's about half full of water, and a card and a strong magnet. So first thing you do is you cut your cardboard into a small disc, like so. It does help to have the disc actually a little bit smaller than the nail itself. So we're going to try that right now. So the nail sticks out a little bit on the ends. Alright, that's about right. Okay, so then you take the strong magnet and you're going to rub the magnet about 20 to 30 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And putting it in the same direction every single time is the key, because then you're lining up all of the electrons so that it's lining up north to south. And then you move your magnet far away from where you're doing this, because this is a very weak magnet and you want it to detect Earth's magnetic field, not the magnetic field of the magnet you just magnetized it with. So I put my disc right there, try to put it in the middle and not hit the sides. And now you're just going to lay your nail on top and let it turn on its own, and it should line up with magnetic north. And get it in the center and it'll line up again. And if you turn it sideways, you're going to see that it's going to line up in the same direction again. So that is your project today.